Let's talk about rabies. So, I'm sure everybody has heard of rabies. It's a pretty big one. It is part of the Rabies Virus group, which Rabies, rabies, sure. And it is spread through bites from infected animals, such as dogs, raccoons, bats, etc. It gets into the body through the bite and goes and infects your nervous system, which is not great. What's fun about rabies, or definitely not fun, is that as soon as symptoms start to show, you're dead. There is a vaccine for it, which is great, we love that, and it is the only vaccine that works after infection. So if you get bit by a rabid dog, if you do not get treated immediately, you are going to die. But if you go and you get the rabies vaccine in treatment before symptoms show, it is the only one that the vaccine works after infection. It causes a lot of spicy neurological symptoms such as increased anxiety and hydrophobia. You don't like water. And of course, the iconic excessive salivation, the foaming at the mouth. What's interesting about it is, so this virus has a negative RNA strand genome, so it's single-stranded RNA, the negative strand. But the host cell cannot read that negative strand, it needs to read the positive strand. So it brings its own RNA replicase to take the negative strand, to use it as a template, to make the positive strand, which the host cell can then read to make new viruses. But then it doesn't really want the positive mRNA, because that's what gets produced by the RNA replicase, and somehow, we don't know how, it transforms the positive into a negative. It just does. Yeah, rabies.